In this video, I'm going to walk you through the eSysco site of how to purchase meat products. This is the main page when you log into eSysco. On the left-hand side, you will see all the different categories of specific products that are offered through eSysco. I'm going to start in the meat category. As you can see, there is fresh and frozen beef, fresh and frozen pork, fresh and frozen veal, lamb, prefabricated frozen and fresh meats, specialty meats, a lot of game meats are found in these areas, and down below there's also a miscellaneous category. I'm going to start with the beef fresh. The top three categories are mainly where I order from. There is boxed beef, ground beef, and portioned fresh beef. Boxed beef will take us mainly through our primal cuts. This first item here is a ribeye. It has the lip on still. It's choice for the grade, boneless, and a fresh product. If it has been frozen, then remember that would lessen the cost. However, they would need to take off the fresh and note the frozen there. Here's the pack size. 3 pieces that are each 11 to 15 pounds on the average. The cost, $8.40 per pound. I can click on this item here to find out some more information about it, as well as determine a portion cost. Now these are 11 to 15 pound averages. For ease sake, I'm going to say that is 12 pounds. Of each of those, I'm going to use a 1 pound cut and determine I'm going to get 36 total portions out of this case. I can utilize this calculator and it will give me the portion cost right out for me. $9.35 per pound. Now this is important later on. We will see what the portion cost is if they're already cut for us. Down at the bottom it will give an average weight. However, you will have to wait until it comes in the door and it's on your invoice for you to see what that final cost will be. The next item is a boneless strip. Again, large pieces, whole pieces, 10 to 13 pound pieces, and there are 3 of them in there at $6.34 per pound. Here is the beef tenderloin. This is important, as we'll reference in a minute what the filet mignons cost as a beef tenderloin that is already broken down. Here this case comes as 6 tenderloins that are each 5 pounds and above for $10.35 per pound. Again, breaking this down into filet mignons, we'll see the price that's involved there. The more a knife touches any cut of meat, the more expensive it will be per pound. Down below, let's look at this flank steak. The flank steak comes 3 packs with 6 flank steaks in each pack. Each pack has an average of 11 pounds, so between 6 flank steaks, it's an average of 11 pounds, and there's 3 of those. So there are 18 total flank steaks in this case. Here is another ribeye to reference. This is 3 ribeyes at 15 to 18 pounds each, $7.40. This is $1 less expensive than the one we saw first. But notice the grade is select. The one above was choice. So as I'm looking at all these options, I have to know what I'm purchasing for in order to determine what the quality and what the price is going to be. If I go to the ground beef category, you'll notice each one is listed beef bulk, or it is going to be beef patty. I also have the fat content here, and sometimes it'll reference what that cattle was fed. Down below, you'll see beef patty ground, 80 to 20% fat. It's fresh. It comes in 5.3 ounce patties, and there's a flat cost for it. All other beef at this point has been per pound. When we get to the beef portion cuts, here's this filet mignon I was referencing. A filet mignon is your tenderloin broken down into nice cuts, not 100% yield, but for 24 8-ounce pieces, our cost now is $21 per pound versus $10.45 per pound. Down below we can look at the ribeye. We just compared that. We had a price cost of $9.43 per pound. Here, if I have a ribeye that's already cut for me, they're cut into 12-ounce steaks. I'm purchasing them for $15.77 per pound. So this is how I navigate through. I can go back up, click on my meats, go back into my frozen items. Be a lot more portioned steaks that are going to be frozen and carry a much better shelf life. And once you cut them and the air is hitting them, they're oxidizing. Here's a strip steak, center cut, 1 inch, 12-ounce steaks, $10.42 per pound. Okay? These are convenience products. This is when we can pull out a couple steaks, thaw them, and use them. If we have the means, we can certainly break down larger cuts of meat. Pork fresh is going to be pretty much the same. You have your primal cuts, your portion cuts, but also a specific category for sausage, ham, and then deli pre-sliced meats, even bacon, franks down here as well. Now I'm going to take us to our fresh veal. Most of our fresh veal will be found under the formula and milk-fed categories. The first one listed here is ground veal. The pack size is 5 2-pound packs of ground veal. Catelli is the brand. The price is $51.82. We will work through different pricing guides where I've selected a lot of these items for you, and you will have to determine the price based on the unit. Here, the price could be based on the pound. There are 10 total pounds in the pack size, and the price is $51.82. The price per pound then would be $5.19. This is going through the same methods we have worked with all of the other products. Some things may be a little bit simpler in that here you can see this veal loin chop. 20 chops that are 8 ounces apiece. You may have to work this out to being 160 ounces, which is 10 pounds. $20.21 per pound multiplied by your 10 pounds would give you your total case size. Here, you would have 20 units. So if this ended up being $200, divided by your 20 would give you specifically $10 per steak. The other categories, again, include lamb, as well as other prefabricated and specialty items.